Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how the new powerful Excel add-in tool can make your daily work in the Microsoft Excel more efficient and much more convenient. Let's start a little bit with the theory, and then on the practice I will show you how the tool can make your work faster and easier. Now let's go to the PowerPoint presentation. According to the Blue Hill Research company, they made a research in 2015 that showed that up to 75% of work time is being spent on data preparation and only 25% is left for the value-added analysis. Now, who are these people? Who are these professionals who spend 75% on data preparation and just 25% on value-added analysis? Now, the group includes data analysts, accountants, financial analysts, sociologists, marketing specialists, etc. The second question is, what is data preparation? Well, basically, data preparation is the process when you are getting the data out of various databases, out of various accounting systems, financial planning systems, ERP systems, and once you pulled out the data into Excel, you start to work with raw data, and basically the work that is done later is going to be value-added analysis. Now, to spend just 25% on a value-added analysis and 75% on data preparation, that seems not reasonable at all. Just think about it. Professionals that are well educated with great professional set of skills, spending 75% of their total time on the just technical routine work, and the place where their skills are really needed and required is just right here, and it takes only 25%. Now let's go and see exactly what are these 75%. So this 75% includes hundreds and thousands of mouse and keyboard clicks when user actually getting out the data from Microsoft SQL Server, from various accounting systems, financial planning systems, ERP systems, etc. Now, the other item is various time delays associated with these programs. The third item is, which is pretty time consumable, is setting up data filters each time when the specific data needed and required. The other one is creation and deletion of redundant Excel files. And the last one is usage of originating sources programs each time when updating already existing Excel files. Now, that doesn't seem to make sense at all. Spend 75% on these positions. Now, our goal to be achieved is replace these numbers to make 75% spent on value-added analysis and put 25% right here for data preparation. Now let's go to Excel and see how the new Excel add-in tool can help us with this goal, can help us to achieve this goal. Now, let's say we have four different scenarios. The first scenario is get the customers related information from the Microsoft SQL database. Let's open our Excel add-in tool, and we have it right here on the right side in a custom task pane. First, what we will do, we will establish connection between Microsoft Excel and our Microsoft SQL database. In order to do it, we will go to connect. We will click connect to button. We will choose the provider. In my example, it's going to be SQL Server Native Client 11. We're going to set up server name, enter our credentials, and select the database. The database is going to be Northwind. And click OK. So, what we have here? We have tables and views. There are 14 tables and 16 views. So we want to get customers information. Let's go to our customers table. Here it have in a tree view, it has multiple columns. We don't want to select any specific column. We want just to have the whole table. So we're gonna drag the customers table into our grid view. So the first what we did, we dragged the item. The second, we're gonna select the range where we would like to place our data. Let's say it's gonna be cell B12. And then we just click paste data. Boom! And our data is being distributed in our Excel spreadsheet within few seconds. That seems just like amazing. Now, another scenario, we're gonna get specific columns from our customers table and orders related information from the related table. Now, let's see what we will do. We're gonna eliminate this table. We're gonna clear our query. We go to the customers table. We're gonna select customer ID column, company name, contact name, and let's say, for example, phone. Now, to get orders from related table, we need to go to orders table. Now, how do we know that orders table is related table? Now, that's pretty simple. Just right click on the customers table, and here we have drop down menu, which will show us what tables are related to our customers table. We're gonna select orders, and here we have it. Let's say we're gonna add order ID column, and for example, we're gonna add order date. And to make the scenario even more complex, we're gonna add some columns from another related table, the table that is related to orders table. Now, we're gonna choose order details table. And here we're gonna choose, for example, unit price and quantity. But to make the stuff even more complicated, we're gonna add one more filter. We're gonna add order date filter. But before we're gonna set up the filter, let's see what we have already right here in our data grid view. we just click preview button, and here we have our set of data. And to set up the filter in a order date column, let's see what dates do we have. Let's select, for example, October. It's going to be October 1st, 1996 to October 31st, 1996, and click OK. So the final step, we're gonna click paste data. And here we go. Within just few clicks, no time delays, no hundreds of clicks, we have our table right here with filter for order date. Okay, another scenario. Let's say on the next day you came into your office and you would like to update this data, and the order date is going to be not October, but let's say for example November. Now, in order to do it, let's say we just open the file. Just need one thing. We're going to right click, table, go to edit query, and right here we're going to replace October to November. And because in November there are not 31 days but just 30, replace the number of days. And click OK. Here we go, we have our table for months of November. Another scenario. Let's say you would like to share this query with your colleague, so the colleague can later open his file, his brand new Excel file, and use your query to create some new analysis. How are we going to do it? First of all, we're going to need to save the query. Let's say we're going to call it our new query, and just click save. Now, then you will go to the folder where the file has been saved and just send it over email to your colleague. Another way, you can just put it on the shared drive. So your colleague is going to open, let's say he's going to open new Excel file. What he will do, he's not going to have this query right here. He's gonna establish connection between Excel file and Microsoft SQL database, and then he's gonna click get query, and he's gonna use the query that you sent him previously. It was this one. Click open, and paste data. Here we have it. Within few clicks we have our table with set filters, all informations that were required. Pretty amazing. And finally, some bonus. People love bonuses. So this tool, pretty powerful tool, can also provide you automatically generated SQL code. Now, how will you get it? All that you need to do we're gonna go and click Copy SQL. And here we go. We have our selection of tables. We have everything what is needed for our SQL code. And in order to copy it, here it says press OK to copy to clipboard. You're gonna just click OK. Then you go and just click Ctrl V, and we have our SQL code, which you can use in some other tasks. Okay, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. So we had a goal to be achieved, to replace these numbers, and we got it. We have about 25% now spent for the data preparation and 75% left for the value-added analysis. Now, if you have any questions, comments, feedbacks, just feel free to send me an email at ds2024@yahoo.com. In future, I will share with you some more videos that will show some more powerful features of this new Excel add-in tool. Now, thank you for watching. Have a great, wonderful day.